Kahoot is an online tool for creating quizzes, generating discussion, and surveying students. A number of PGCC faculty have become champions of this online tool as their students find the quizzes and surveys to be a fun way to test their knowledge. It also allows them to pull out their cell phones and use them constructively. Thanks to the industry of others, you don't always have to create your own Kahoots from scratch. To set up an account, go to create.kahoot.it. Once you've set up your account, it's easy to create a new Kahoot by clicking on the purple button at the bottom of the screen. You then have to decide what kind of Kahoot will meet your instructional needs. A quiz will have a correct answer, and you can give points for correct answers. This creates a competitive atmosphere, particularly since you can have a leaderboard for your classes. A discussion offers a single question with no right or wrong answer. It's generally used as a way to spark a class discussion. The survey is similar to the quiz, but without right or wrong answers, and therefore no points. So let's first create a quiz by selecting quiz and giving it a name. You'll notice that each answer has a character limit. You can also add math symbols and change some text attributes. You have the option of dropping in an image. In this case, you can add an image and then change your question slightly. You might ask what technique was used and offer different responses. You can offer points and also set the timer, which is helpful in moving your class along. You then designate the correct answer. The program will thankfully notify you if you've forgotten that step. Once you have your answers, you can add another question, or if you're done, you can click Save and Continue. You can then determine if you want your Kahoot to be public or private, then add some metadata. Like many education apps, Kahoot encourages you to share your work with others. The next screen asks you to drop in an image or even a YouTube video. This is to make your Kahoot more eye-catching and doesn't affect the quiz. It's always a nice touch, however. To play the game, simply click the purple play button. You can either allow students to play as individuals or in teams. Students will go to kahoot.it and enter the game pin and then a name. Then you will click Start when everyone has entered the room. The answers will be displayed on your screen. The students will only see the colored shapes on their phone. The students will answer the question, and when time's up, everyone will see the correct answer and the scoreboard. At the end of the Kahoot, students can give feedback. One final thing about this app. It's still in its infancy, and its developers are still committed to adding new features. Anticipate even more dynamic learning tools in the months to come.